It's another snowstorm. Another snowstorm on the road here in Hartford. Yes. Welcome back to Devon Lifestyle JA. And I'm here in the street again with another snowstorm. Stay tuned. Watch what's going on the street here. Yeah. Blessed welcome to all my subscribers this Sunday morning here. Big up all who not subscribe yet. Just go and subscribe and watch the video. Put your comment. We have another snowstorm here. Yeah. As you can see in front of me there, all you can see is whiteness. Whiteness. It's another storm. It's fluffy. This snow is fluffy. It's heavy like cement, but it's easy to get off the car. Once you start up the car and the glass then get warm, you just slide out, not sticking. But it is very heavy and fluffy mixed with snow and ice. No one on the street do that this morning here. Yeah. Look at the tree then. Beautiful, beautiful trees here. Then it's beautiful when it's summer, and it's beautiful when it's snow, because the snow hits up on them and it gives that white, like white leaves on the tree them. And sometimes when it's snow finish and that ice make on the tree them, crystal clear, pretty, beautiful. So I'm going to the store to get a cup of coffee now. Yeah, I have to wipe the glass out now and then. So going to the store, get me a cup of coffee. Just feel like to drink a warm cup of strong coffee. Yeah, today is Sunday. There's not too much vehicle on the road. You know, today is Sunday, tomorrow is Monday, which is holiday. So have a lot of people on the road today. But anyway, it's a snowstorm. I think now have a snowstorm in Canada and you know, it blow all the way over here. We get in a little piece of it. Not too much, because it's snowing from yesterday. I guess it's going to stop sometime today. Yeah. I'll get my coffee, drive some of these neighborhoods. Right now it's not too cold out there. I think it's about 34 right now degree. So that's why the snow not holding on the ground, because it's above freezing. Not sticking on the ground right now. On the road at least. It stick over there on the grass and the asphalt, because the temperature dropped last night. So it's about 34 degrees right now, so not sticking. Heading to the store. Store is about 15 minutes away from where I live. I live in Maryland for 17 years. Almost 18 years I live in Maryland. And we hardly get snow down there. Some of the year there's no snow, it's just cold. If you want to talk about cold, yes, we get it down there. Wind, we get it, but no snow like here in Hartford. Yeah. Here in Hartford is a lot of snow. A lot of snow. Snow season, a lot of snow. And it is very cold too. Some coffee right here. Nice house around here. And when them built probably in the 60s or the 70s, but very nice. Yeah, I'm just showing you guys through these neighborhoods when it snow. For those who do not travel and want to see the experience or get the experience of the snow and how it look like, this is the video to watch. there clean the snow. So it's like this now. After the snow ease up later today, all sidewalk, all residents have to come out and clean them in front of them house. They're responsible to clean their sidewalk. And don't wait for the government to do that. They're responsible. If somebody fall, you're the one who's going to get sued. So you have to clean your walkway and your sidewalk. Yeah, it's no fluffy around here. Fluffy snow. Yes. Yeah, not too bad now. It's kind of ease up. Just mostly the snow coming down, but because the time's so warm, it melting before it stick. Melting is just like rain or dew rain, just like that, melting. Coming down just in not too just you can just barely see the snow because it's fall, it does melt. Flakes them is very small, so it just turn in water and fall on the glass because the glass warm on the surface of the road warm, so it's not going to stick right there now. Somebody loading up in truck here with salt, and you have the plow on it. Up in this side of the city or the state here out for a lot of snow. A lot of people have them own plow truck where they can, get a job to clean because too much up here. One people cannot do everything. One company, two company, three company cannot do everything. Snow. There's some family here, snow plow here. Look at the snow. It is very white and pretty, fluffy. White, pretty and fluffy. Look at that view down there. Look at that view down there. Without the snow, you could see all the way over the city over there and building, but now everything is white. You cannot see nothing. You cannot see nothing. Look at the snow. White and clean. Got that. Yeah. And it's very slushy here. You walk in it. I got the tree there. Oh, them pretty. Yeah, this is a nice view. Nice view here. Nice. Fluffy. Oh, yeah. Look at that. See those three branches? Oh, the snow stick on them. It's beautiful. Look down there. snow. Yeah, going to the gas station, fill my tank up. Already have coffee. Heading to the gas station now to fill my tank. Pass a lot of gas station, but I have my special gas station. I have to buy gas under $2, under $3, I must say, a gallon. See, it's 34 degrees out here. Not cold for me. Only time I'm feeling cold is when it's windy. When it's windy and it's below 20, that's when it's very cold. Anything in the 30s, over 30 is good for me. Salting them gate, them walkway. As I say, the citizen response to salt. Some over the other side and left here salting, spreading salt. So why them come out and start to clean up and salt, you know, slow down. See how them drive up here? Them don't wait. Just overtake you. Understand? So I'm pulling up at my gas station now. Get my tank full. As you see, 279. See? Pulling up in the gas station. Get my tank full. So side I do not get a lot of snow. I go wine east and west out for not a lot of snow around this side here. Countryside, in the hillside, countryside around here. a lot of store. You have the houses them, you know, not too close to each other. A lot of land spaces here. The countryside here. Snow from yesterday until now. Little snow, little rain, little ice, you know, mixture of everything. Right now out there is 35 degrees now, so it's above freezing. You know, later on in the night it's going to drop to probably about 28, 27 degrees. Right now is 2 minutes to 1 p.m. in the day. Yeah, it's a beautiful day today. Not too cold. Normally, when we have snow and we have this temperature here, you know, because we don't have any wind. When the wind blow, yes, temperature drop a lot. So we don't have any wind, so it's kind of above freezing now, which that is good. Keep off all the ice off of the street. Accident will happen this time. I say drive careful. When it's cold and it's above, below, when it's below freezing, then you cannot help it in certain areas because there's a lot of black ice and it just pick your wheel up and slide you off the road. So those times you have to be cautious, be careful. So I'm heading back to Hartford now. Couple miles out. I'm heading back home. Countryside. Okay, we just stop right now. Stop sign. This is a like a small town, this area. Bakery right there. And Auntie Bank. said before, this is a country area. New Haven, Broomfield, Canterbury, and places. Hilltop is very foggy. Foggy Hilltop. Look at this.
Take your next ride onto Murphy Road.
It's a mountain top. Foggy up here. Up here, most of the
Turn right onto
snow.
Murphy Road.
Most
Then
of
at
the
the next
snow.
stop sign, you'll turn right.
Most of the snow.